What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna get into a hair video. Y'all asked me about how to do my natural curly hair. So we're here. I'm back. Baby. I'm back, baby. Okay. So what I've done so far is I've washed my hair, I've conditioned it, I've combed it out, and right now it's just a little wet. It's damp. I tried to towel dry it just a little so it's not like drenching in water, because then it'll take forever to dry. But I did a nice comb through. It's moisturized, it's clean, and it's ready for us to start. What I use for my natural curls is Shea Moisture Mousse. It's a frizz-free hibiscus and coconut. It's really bomb, y'all. It keeps the moisture. It helps my hair to lock my curls. It helps to define the curls. For me, that's key. I don't like when I have my curly hair and my curls, they dry out and they get frizzy and bushy looking. I like them to like really be set. So that helps me do that. So a good mousse is what I use. I also like to use some sort of leave-in. As much as I could use to help keep that curl locked, the better for me, because my hair tends to bush up, especially like in my crown area. I know that happens for a lot of us. I hate it when my hair is curly. Like, I want it to be curly and stay curly the entire time. So I've been using this L'Oreal. It's a fine castor and it has vitamins in it as well. It's a leave-in, super dope. So I use those two. You're gonna need a good scrunchie or a clip if you want to be fancy, however you like it to be. The only thing with having natural curls is the process for it to dry. If I know I'm gonna go out, say sometime in the evening, it's best if I like do my hair maybe like 4 or 5 hours before I actually go out. And it'll dry well enough for it to swell up the way that I like it to. I don't like wet curls. Like, I like to have big hair. I like my curls to be dry and defined, but still with moisture. All my curly girls know that is a process when you have curly hair. And once you figure it out and figure out your hair pattern, you know how to make it work for you. And again, I just take it and I scrunch. Scrunch and scrunch and scrunch and scrunch. Yo, my hands be so sore, my knuckles from all the scrunching, but it's how you lock the curl in. Put a little of the leave-in conditioner. Not too much, and we're gonna scrunch. Scrunch game gotta be strong, y'all. I hope y'all ready, hope y'all knuckles are ready. And I know it's tough for us curly girls who are naturally curly. We wanna press our hair, and I love me a good press. Y'all know, but I can't do it as much if I want my curls to continue to be defined and to be rich, and it just don't work like that. So I've chosen to put less heat in my hair. I still press it every now and then. I just don't like to do it as much because I really have, you know, learned to appreciate my curls. So that's that. Scrunch and scrunch. Scrunch, baby. Scrunch, baby. You gotta make it fun because these knuckles, they be hurting. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a side part girl. I literally have like a side part that I think is permanent at this point. Side parts are sexy to me. I like it. Sometimes I do the middle, but not as often as I like to tell myself I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just comfortable with the side for whatever reason that is. I like low-key don't even use a comb anymore. Who cares about straight parts? Not me. So this is our last section. And this is the section that I like to make sure is super moisturized, because again, my crown, if I'm not careful and it's not moisturized enough, it'll get dry and it'll get frizzy and it'll puff up on me. Ain't nobody got time for that. So this is the last section that we are going to do. And I make sure I get it good up in here, okay? Make sure it covers the ends. And yup, y'all guessed it. Scrunch that up. Now I'm gonna need some time. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a couple hours. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let it dry up really well, and then I'll be ready. Easiest hairstyle ever. The only thing is that you need time on your side. You can't force that process. And you definitely don't wanna sit in the house with cold air or outside when it's cold, because you don't wanna get cold and it's gonna take forever for your hair to dry. And then to style it, I just take a little brush, pull some little baby hair down, and that's pretty much it, y'all, right? It's easy, the products aren't expensive, and you got you a cute little hairstyle. And the summer is the best because I wet my hair, I do this little process, I go outside and it's dry sometimes in like an hour or so. Not so much in the winter. And if I'm honest, I really like the way my hair curls when I can sit in the house and there's like no forced air or heat on it. I don't know, it just locks better for me in the curls. I don't know, they just last and work better for me. I like it like that. I used to get perms way back in the day. I haven't had a perm probably in a good like 15 years. So a lot of the damaged hair has now grown out, especially with like getting your ends trimmed and making sure that you're keeping your hair healthy. That has all brought back my natural curl. I didn't think that I could ever get my natural curls back. So if you feel the same way, if you feel like you damaged your hair, you damaged your curls, lay off the heat a little bit, lay off permanent dye, make sure you're getting your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks, and it'll come back, I promise. Mine did. It just takes a little work and you'll be straight. So even while I'm letting this dry, I still scrunch so that I don't lose the curl pattern that we started getting, and I want to make sure that I keep it defined. So for the next hour or so, I'll just occasionally just go through and scrunch my hair and then just wait for it to dry. We'll see how it looks when I come back. I'll show you guys what it looks like in about a couple hours. All right. Okay, y'all, so I'm back after about four hours of it drying, and this is what it turned out to be. So I'm gonna bend my head over a little bit, and I'm just gonna shake it out just so we can add a little volume. It's a little damp in the roots, but not a lot. Boom, and then that's what we got, y'all. That's cute, right? What I'm gonna do is just add a little gel on my edges. Not a lot, just a little bit up in here. Voila, okay? Now to top it off, we wanna make sure that it's shiny, right? So this is my favorite shine. It is called the Glass Brilliant Shine from Deeper Than Hair. You can get it from deeperthanhair.com. This is actually one of their travel sizes. I know we still locked down on quarantine, but when we can travel again, y'all make sure y'all get a cute little travel package of this. I believe it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and some of this shine. So, and it smells good. It smells like candy, like you can eat it. My greedy ass is always here for something that smells good. So we're just gonna shine it up and make sure it keeps that gloss that you wanna have throughout the day. So that's it, y'all. It was super easy. I hope this helps some of y'all who have natural curly hair. Make sure you try it out and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all soon.